Hi, my dear buddies. Punarvas Jayakumar here. How are you doing, guys? 1 month to go for the examination, so I thought I'll come and discuss a few tips for you. So this video is about all the tips that I felt that I should share with you with 1 month to go for the exam, whether you're writing CA Foundation, Inter, or final, doesn't matter. So most importantly, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of those videos. And please watch this video till the end because these are very important tips and it's a very short video, so nothing to worry about it. First and foremost, my dear friends, it is always better to review your preparation. So you would have planned something and now something else would have happened. So please review your preparation. All 8 papers if you are attempting, or if you are attempting 4 papers as far as inter and final is concerned, whether you're writing group wise or the entire thing, review. So sit back, check your plan, whether you are going as per plan, no problem. Whatever it is, review and replan because this is the time to do so. Many things will not go as per plan, so you should not panic. That comes to my second point: prioritize, do not panic. Trust me, I have made many plans in my life in terms of studies, but even it was very rare that I was able to fulfill the 100% of the plan. So it's not possible for you humanly to do 100% of your plan. So what I'm trying to tell is, do not panic, my dear friends. Understand the syllabus thoroughly and think of where you are at this moment. So you should think about it properly now, where you are exactly at this moment. So prioritize and do not panic. Maybe you did not finish 100%, maybe you have just finished 60% of your plan. It's okay. It is better to do a recap of that 60% rather than studying anything new with 1 month to go for the examination. So most important thing is, do not panic. Because of panic, people of course lose a lot of marks. Third most important thing is the uh, MTP and the RTP, that is the mock test papers and the revision test papers. It is very important. You need to, most importantly, solve them. So that's what I've written here: solve. Just by reading, nothing is going to happen. You need to solve. Example, my subjects law and direct taxes, you cannot just read. Do not open the RTP and just flip through. It is not going to serve any purpose. Pick up the question paper, pick up the question, and if it's a 4 marker, time yourself and write. Writing is most important, so please time yourself and write. Fourth one, you should review your writing speed. So obviously, if it's a 4 mark question, we have 180 minutes in an examination and 100 marks. So roughly it is 1.8 minutes per mark. So rather than taking 1.8 minutes per mark, I always say go low, take 1.6 minutes per mark. So if it's a 4 marker, 4 into 1.6, you have 6.4 minutes. So kindly time your answer. It should be just 6.4 minutes, and this is reading the question, understanding the question, assimilating the answer, and then writing. It should just be 6.4 minutes. So please ensure that your writing speed is up to the mark as of now. Fifth one, it may seem to be a very silly point and small point, but trust me, it's a very important point. During the course of your practice, you would have used a calculator. So your fingers are adjusted to the calculator and obviously you'll do it very fast. Do not change the calculator in the final examination. Whatever calculator you are using, please take the same calculator there also. It makes a lot of difference, trust me, because if you change there, you will not be adjusted to the alignment and you will definitely waste time. Trust me, it may be a very small tip, but a very important tip. Sixth one, if you are feeling the heat, my dear friends, do not worry. We should obviously handle the pressure. See MS Dhoni, for example, the way coolly he handles the pressure, that is what we have to. And moreover, I always believe that we are like tea bags. Tea bag is looking very good, and if you put it in cold water, nothing will happen. But when a tea bag is put into hot water, the real flavor of tea comes out. So my dear friends, the next 1 month is we are diving into hot water and we are all tea bags, and I'm sure that you are going to rock it here. So please ensure, let's coolly handle the pressure. In fact, Dhoni in one of the things said that we cannot control the outcome we cannot control, but what we can definitely control is in our hands. That is, what we can control is the preparation. So we should prepare our entire might, and rest depends on destiny, depends on various factors which may be out of our control. Seventh most important thing, my dear friends, is health. Health is the key. Please avoid eating outside. Please avoid skipping meals to save time. Please avoid eating junk food. Home cooked food, healthy food, please eat all 3 meals a day. And you can, snack on some, nuts, etc., and banana. This will really give you that boost. And during the exam time, just before writing a mock exam, have a piece of chocolate, and that will definitely light you up. I am not joking. These have scientific elements. Dark chocolate especially. Buy a slab of dark chocolate and have just one piece half an hour before the exam. It will really release those chemicals which will activate your brain. These are all scientifically proven, my dear friends. So please take care of your health at this point. It's the most important thing. And please maintain your sleep cycle. If you are sleeping for 6 hours, continue to sleep for 6 hours, 7 hours, 7 hours. 6 to 7 hours of good sleep is needed. Beyond 7, genuinely, it's, not needed. 6 to 7 hours is more than sufficient. And do not sleep between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. guys, because this is the examination time. If you have a habit of sleeping there, in the exam you will not get sleep, but your mind will be in that resting stage, and alertness will not be there. You will not be able to answer properly. At least for the next 1 month, ensure that you don't do that. Last but not the least, don't call up your friend and say, bro, how many chapters over? That person will tell 3 times revision over, bro. For you, vision only is not happening. You're turning blind. So please do not compare with your friends. This is not the time for comparison. Please do not do that. So these are some of the tips that I wanted to do, guys. This is like the, power play, where all the fielders are inside the 30-yard circle, and you need to just hit it out of the park. So this is the time for you to use the batting power play, and you are going to rock it. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for such content, and please share this video. And one thing, guys, if you have any other tips, if you have any other questions that you want to ask me, please mention in the comment box without fail. I will reply as much as possible to each and every query. If you have any problems, if you're facing anything else during preparation, please do it right now, okay? On that note, my dear friends, see you, love you all, take care. Please stay healthy, stay fit. Please exercise also here and there. If possible, go for a walk at least. Eat healthy, study well. Love you all, guys. Take care.